Understanding API Authentication, a simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that might sound complex at first, but is quite essential in the digital world: API authentication. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a developer in the making, or just curious about how internet security works, this video is for you. Let's break down API authentication into easy-to-understand parts and explore why it's so crucial in our online interactions. Before we dive into API authentication, let's first understand what an API is. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of it as a bridge that allows two software applications to communicate with each other. When you use an app on your phone to check the weather, for instance, that app uses an API to fetch weather data from a remote server. So, an API is essentially a messenger that delivers your request to the provider that you're asking it from and then returns the response back to you. Now, let's talk about authentication. Authentication is the process of verifying who you are. When you log into a social media account, you enter your username and password. The platform checks this information to confirm it's really you. This process is vital for protecting sensitive information and ensuring that only authorized users can access certain functionalities. Combining what we've learned, API authentication is a way to secure communication between two software applications. It ensures that only authorized applications, developers, or users can access an API. There are several methods of API authentication, but the most common ones include API keys, a unique string of letters and numbers given to developers to access the API. OAuth, a more secure method that allows applications to authenticate and interact without sharing password details. Token authentication, similar to OAuth, it uses tokens instead of passwords to verify the identity of the requester. API authentication is crucial for several reasons. It protects sensitive data from unauthorized access. It ensures that only legitimate requests are processed. It maintains the integrity of the software applications by preventing malicious activities. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of API authentication and why it's such an important aspect of our digital lives. Remember, understanding these concepts not only helps you navigate the tech world more effectively but also keeps your information safe. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you. Stay curious, and happy learning!